Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'll share my export settings and show you how I upload Instagram Reels. You've asked about this many times, so let's get started. Before rendering, I always create a new adjustment layer and place it above all the clips I've edited. On this adjustment layer, I apply my saved sharpness preset. You can see the values and effects here. I use sharpen and unsharp mask, and you're free to copy my settings. These effects increase the overall sharpness of the video, which helps maintain quality after uploading to Instagram. As you know, Instagram compresses videos heavily, so adding sharpness helps preserve details. Once that's done, we can render the video. Go to File, scroll down to Export, and choose Add to Render Queue. You can also press Ctrl+M on your keyboard to add the project to the render queue. In the render queue, make sure the render settings are set to best settings. Next, click on the Output module. Set the format to H.264 and leave the rest at their default values. If your settings look different from mine, simply copy the ones shown here. After that, click Format Options. Set the profile to high and the level to 5.1. This level supports higher bit rates and resolutions, which helps preserve detail and maintain better quality after Instagram compression. Under the bitrate settings, set bitrate encoding to CBR. You might be wondering why we use CBR instead of VBR, so let me explain it quickly. CBR, or constant bitrate, means the video keeps the same bitrate for the entire clip. This helps keep the quality consistent and works better for Instagram, which compresses videos very heavily. VBR, or variable bitrate, changes the bitrate based on how complex the scene is. While this can reduce file size, Instagram often recompresses VBR videos more aggressively, which can cause extra quality loss. So for Instagram Reels, CBR is the better and safer option to maintain quality after upload. Set the target bitrate to 25. I tested different values like 40, 50, and even lower ones like 15. And 25 gave the best result for Instagram. This also depends on the resolution. If you're rendering in 4K, then you should set the bitrate to 50. But in my case, I render my videos in 1080p, so 25 is the best value. Many of you also ask whether you should export in 1080p or 4K. Instagram compresses 4K videos much harder, which actually reduces quality. So the best option is to render at 1080p, 60 frames per second. You can still edit in 4K, that's totally fine, but always export at 1080p. Once the video is rendered, send it to your phone. I usually use Google Drive because it keeps the quality, but you can also use WeTransfer, Dropbox, or any other transfer method you prefer. Now the next step is uploading your video to Instagram. I used to upload my Reels directly through the Instagram app, but one of my Instagram followers recommended using the Edits app. I downloaded it, tested it, and the results were much better, so big thanks to him for the suggestion. With the Edits app opened, tap the plus icon and upload your video. Once it's loaded, you can edit it further by adding captions, text, or voice, but I won't do that because I want to upload my original edit. Now tap the 2K button next to export. Change the resolution to 4K, set the frame rate to 60 frames per second, and set the color to HDR. After that, hit the export button and wait for it to finish. Once the export is done, tap Instagram at the bottom. Now you can add your caption, change the reel thumbnail, adjust the settings if needed, and finally hit the share button. Your video will now be uploaded to Instagram with high quality. This is my method for uploading high quality reels, and I hope it helps you too. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.